When you find out that your shoulder mobility is affected, you cannot move your arm up or sideways or take it back, you may be suffering from frozen shoulder. Frozen shoulder is not as simple as it sounds. It is not something where you can correct by doing physiotherapy exercises or by taking some anti-inflammatory medicines. Frozen shoulder is much deeper and maybe borders on a kind of rheumatic stiffness. Friends, frozen shoulder must be handled naturally for permanent results. Hi, I'm Dr. Mayank Shah from Freedom iClinics, and we treat frozen shoulder through a unique system of mind-body nutrition complex. We release the mind tensions, we heal the body with acupuncture, give natural medicines for permanent results. Try it out. Thank you.